All right, now we're gonna make our Chipotle Mayo. This I love on all kinds of sandwiches, but especially on grilled chicken thighs. Put on some yummy bread, whatever your favorite is, sourdough, flatbread, whatever it is. So I've put into the bowl a cup of my favorite mayonnaise, which is Best Foods mayonnaise. Sorry, that's my favorite. And then you're gonna take, and I love Herdez, the brand Herdez. This stuff is so, so good. So you're gonna take the whole can, you're gonna pour it out into a little dish, and you're gonna take like 1 to 2, because they are spicy. So if you like it spicy, use 2. Just kind of take them out, and they'll drip a little bit. Put them on a cutting board and just cut them up real fine. Or you can drop them into a little mini food processor. I sometimes like a little bit of chunkiness to it. So these today, I chopped them up. But it's called Herdez, and it's Chipotle peppers. And they have a little bit of a smoky, spicy taste. They're amazing. So into your mayo goes your chopped Chipotle. Got a little bit of juice going on in there, okay? So you're gonna mix. You're just gonna mix that up. Be careful because you flip this out on anything you're wearing, and you're gonna be using Dawn dish soap to get it out because it will stain. So anyways, but it turns this nice little creamy color. And actually, I sometimes, when we do barbecued grilled burgers, I will dip my fries in that because it's kind of like a spicy fry sauce. So I also like to put a little bit of onion powder into my Chipotle mayo. I just like that little bit of taste. So about a half of a teaspoon of onion powder. Again, just take your fork, stir it up, mix it up, set it aside, put it in the fridge, and when you get all of your food cooked and you're ready to assemble, it'll be done and ready to spread on. So we'll come back and I'll show you what we're gonna do with it.